Hi guys, and welcome to today's trade analysis video for the day. So in this video, I'll be talking about the today's trade observation, what we did, and according to our study and the strategy, what was the trade for the day. Okay, and also we'll be doing Nifty 50 analysis without any indicators, and also I'll be telling you how the market has performed for the day. Okay, so firstly, we'll talk about the trade, what we have done for the day. So today, the stock what we have traded is Axis Bank. Okay, so this was a buy around 1663 levels based on my strategy and the study, and we trade without any indicators. Okay, so it's a very simple trading strategy and the study. So it's a buy around 1663, and as you guys can see here, the buy was triggered after around 12 o'clock in the morning. Okay, so there was not much of a movement in Axis Bank today. After 9:30 it was a bit of a range bounded section, so we waited for it, and then you can see the stock has given a good momentum, and the high what it has made for the day is around 1171. Okay, so I kept my target up to 5 to 6 points, and my target was achieved in Axis Bank for the day. Okay, so as I was observing the stock and I was observing this movement, I came to know that the movement is a bit slow here. It was range bounded, so that's why instead of targeting for 10 or 12 points, I reduced my risk by keeping the target up to 5 to 6 points, and that was easily achieved here within 1 o'clock. Okay, and also if the stock would have come down, my short sell was around 1155, but you can see here that has not triggered here, so it just sustained above 1158 level. So that's why I didn't go for short selling. I was waiting for my levels to trigger, either it's a buy side or a sell side. I was just waiting for it, and yes, so 1163 got triggered, so that's the reason why I gone towards the buying side and my target was hit. Okay, so we follow our strategy and we follow our study. Okay, so we don't do over trading, no greed trading here. Okay, so we follow the concept and we follow the strategy, and it's not about making big profit at once. It's always about making consistent profit in consistent way. Whether it's a small profit also, we make consistent profit, and we do the trading in a very disciplined way. Okay, so if you guys want to learn all these concepts of making consistent profit in intraday trading and want to get the education and knowledge to make good trades in intraday trading, you can join my course today. So in my course, I'll teach you the simple skills to make consistent profit. No indicators and no complicated things. The main goal of my course is to make you as a profitable trader. And not only that, the course prices are very reasonably priced, and once you join, you get live market personal support as well. You can just go inside my channel and watch a lot of educational videos and trade analysis videos from last 5 to 7 years plus what I have uploaded in my channel. And if you guys wish to earn good profits like this and want to make good trades like this, you can join us today to get the full knowledge and education about trading. Okay, so as you guys can see here, my trades are very simple and straightforward. Okay, and no indicators are used. It's very simple strategies. Okay, so I'll be guiding you about all these things, and also we follow discipline mainly, so that's the reason why we are able to make good trades. And we don't over trade. Maximum we do only 1 or 2 trades per day, and we don't aim for a bigger profit. We aim for a profit and the target which is very realistic and which is achievable daily on a consistent basis. For example, today's trade, as you guys can see here. Okay, so this was a trade what we have done, and also we can keep the target according to the stock movement and the market condition. It's not always about I get only 6 points or 8 points or 10 points. Depending on the market movement or depending on how safe the stock movement is, we can change our target as well. So once you join, I'll be guiding you all these things. Okay, so if you learn all these things about being safe in trading, then you can make good profitable trade. Okay, and now let's talk about the Nifty 50 momentum, how it has performed for the day. So if you guys can see, Nifty today is again traded below 24,900 levels. So it has gone to the lowest point of 24857 today. So it has not gone above 25,000 yet. So you can see the resistance level has been around 24972 for the day. Okay, So the market was almost in a bullish way only, but not much of a momentum. Okay, around 100 to 150 points is the movement what it has given for the day. So yes, a bit of a sideways momentum and bit of a slow bullish momentum for the day. And anyway, today the market has closed above one of the resistance level what I was talking about on the previous day, around 24972. So if the market opens above this level, then we can expect tomorrow to cross 25,000 is what my view is. Okay. Today the market opened like this, around 0.12% up in the pre-open market, like only 30 points up. So after opening, you can see how the market has performed for the day. So in the beginning, it went a bit down and again it took a support. As I said, you around 24875, somewhere around there, it has taken a good support and then it has started to go up slowly. And yes, the market did close in a plus today at 0.38% up. So closed about 24,951. So expecting to cross 25,000 tomorrow if it goes above this level. So let's see how the market will perform today. And yes, this was the trade what I have done for the day. And if you guys wish to learn from me a good trading setup with simple strategies, you can join us today by messaging me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen. So I thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next one very soon.